Welcome to Las Vegas. Yeah.
You know what I mean? Welcome to Las Vegas, baby. You know what time it is? It's showtime, baby.
It is showtime.
Showtime,
Yeah. Yes. What are you doing, Matthew? What's going on?
Hi, bud.
How you doing?
Hey? How's it going? Good to see you.
How was your trip?
Oh my God. Trip was great. I've never been. This is wild.
This is nothing. You'll see it.
Never. This is neat. You seem like you're on a mission.
Yeah, I am. I don't see any cute dresses here.
And
No, I'd have to buy like an oversized t-shirt and chop it up if I want to wear a dress. I'm looking for something cute to wear. I'm sad.
she's upset that you guys didn't let her go back to the hotel and change before you came out.
I didn't know we were going to a fancy restaurant.
We're not going to a fancy restaurant.
Yeah, we are. Oh, last day in Vegas and I got nothing to wear.
I told you.
Literally.
You can buy a toque and mittens.
I'm wearing my gym outfit.
Hey, there's nothing here?
Nothing. And of course, we got the whiskey liquor
Absolutely
right
nothing.
here. So make sure to grab yourself
What?
a drink. and
Notice
let's
that
get
this is
party
not
going
the place to
tonight.
buy a cute dress, but I got 10 million of them back at the hotel.
Where's our food?
Where the hamburgers at?
Hello. Where are we?
We're at the end of the street, Matthew.
Well, we were looking for a dress, but
I'm trying to figure out where we are in the relation to like Caesar's Palace.
Hey,
We're way far from that.
you know what? Hey, we're close to a Caesar salad. What?
Cheers.
You there or what?
Yeah, of course.
Where you guys from?
We're from Iceland.
Oh, no.
No way!
Nice! Little Vikings in your history.
What are you guys doing?
He just missed the mustache, but you were with
Exactly, could be cousins.
Yeah, you could be cousins. Come in. Yeah, I think we have to have one photo.
That get over here.
Of course. Are you guys all from Iceland?
Yeah, we're all from Iceland. We came here for Sima.
Yes, I'm sorry. Yes.
This is his car over here.
Okay.
That's Sledgehammer.
Sledgehammer, guys.
Yeah.
Do one more belly bump.
Hey,
Do one more
hey,
belly bump.
I thought he said snatch hammer.
No, it's
Do one more.
Sledgehammer.
Do one more.
Hey,
Do one more belly bump.
one more belly button. Okay, guys, you'll hear from us. You will. Put it there.
Good. Have a nice night.
What?
Get over here. Get over here.
He's from Quebec.
You'll get over it. Hey, thanks a lot, man. Perfect.
Un autre bon Québécois.
Thank you. Get over here. Perfect. Get over here.
That face is not very good.
There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a good one. You bet, my friend.
Okay, let's go eat. please.
If you're ready to see a show, say yeah! Hey! Hell no. That was terrible. You tell them. Hey, we need everybody. Scream a little. No, I need everybody. If you're ready to see a show, say yeah! Yeah! I don't feel it. Do it, turn me up.
One.
Video. It's a video. You got a photo? You got the photo?
Hey guys, welcome to Las Vegas. Yeah! This sounds weird. I like it. It's steak eating time.
What do you see out there that jumps out at you?
I tell you what, it jumps out that you got to buy this steak. It's kind of like buying parts, one piece at a time. The steak's $78 and the asparagus is $18. I'd like to know where they grow the asparagus at. But you can get a piece of Wagyu here for $195. The kids will eat it. They like snot, they'll eat Wagyu.
Is there any milk cow?
There's no milk cow on this menu.
At least.
At least, no milk cow.
But you made such a fuss in Vancouver over that there's one restaurant that
Well,
had
who would in their right mind? Who would in their right, we go to a restaurant, a high-end restaurant uptown, and I've had about 3 Caesars, and they look on there, and the waiter comes over and goes, "We only got the best steak in the world. We serve milk cow." And I look at him and go, "You're a f***ing idiot." I said, "Nobody eats a milk cow." Had a small conversation about her about beef. She didn't know any more than he did, so she almost threw me out of the restaurant. So at the end of the thing, we come to a amicable agreement. She told me she figured she didn't have anything that I needed. And I said, "Well, you may be right." But anyways, we both calmed down. She brought me over a plate of stuff. Turned out it was Prince Edward Island potato fed beef. It wasn't milk cow. Like what are these people? Like, where do they come up with this?
It's your turn to order. Sir, can you order?
Right there. I'll take that bone-in ribeye, please.
Yes, sir. I'd like to.
Rare, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, my friend.
It's my pleasure. Sir, I'll give you $1,000 for that menu if I could.
Give me $1,000 and I'll give you that menu.
I take a 3-party out-of-state post-dated bad check.
Well, I've had a few of them before. Sure, why not?